Alright guys, so this has been a question that a lot of people have been asking me, and instead of answering you guys in every single comment, which is getting kind of annoying, because I might answer it in this video, in a comment in that video, and in the next video somebody asks, I'm answer it. Oh, somebody's behind me. Okay. I was like, oh, that Markex guy is hailing me. So alright, the question is, what is the best oil to use for a motorcycle, guys? So it really doesn't matter if your bike is a 150, 175, 200, 250, 600 are different. But for our little bikes, even 600 as well, the best oil to use is synthetic motorcycle specific oil. Alright? You want me say synthetic? When me say synthetic is basically oil. Me I go pop it up on the screen because I don't have the direct information. I mean, I go tell you nothing wrong. But synthetic oil come like oil where it refined basically. So synthetic oil has proven to be better than conventional oil. What conventional oil is, it's a regular oil. It has nothing mixed in it. But synthetic blend is better, and it tends to be more expensive. But if you don't have money to buy synthetic, just buy conventional oil, but try to ensure that it says motorcycle specific, because a motorcycle engine revs far higher than a car engine, and basically with all that fast revving and all that quick engine rotation, the oil burns up very quickly and the oil thins out very quickly. So you want to ensure that the oil that you buy is motorcycle specific, because car oil might be a different viscosity. Viscosity basically has to do with the thickness of the oil and so forth. Oh my god. So guys, oh wow, oh my god, what happened to your car? Yeah guys, so yeah, motorcycle specific is the best oil. Growing up, oh my, look no man, watch out, no, you're not looking now. That's why me try vlog from when me there way down night town I come up in me nah remember when me fear vlog boat. Pretty girl, my. Me nah remember when me fear vlog boat. You see me head always I go all around the place. Anyways, motorcycle oil. So the brands that I recommend. So you have castor oil, right? Castrol, and you have Amsoil, right? You have Shell oil, right? You have what name? Mortal. Those are that one is on the more expensive side. To me, Amsoil has worked. Oh, Amsoil has worked very good. The reason why I stopped using Amsoil personally is because my bike tends to run a little bit hot. When we use the Amsoil, so the Amsoil kind of thin out a little bit for me, right? And the grade that I use is 2050. Alright, you see that grade, 2050, and then you have 1030 and whatever grade. That grade represents the viscosity. As me said, the viscosity is the thickness of the oil. 2050 is what I've been using for years in Jamaica. You know why? Because of our climate. Remember, the tropics we live in, our climate tend to be hot. So you want an oil that can manage the heat, basically. You see the 1030, it's way too thin. It's way too thin. I mean, you have bikes that the manufacturer says a 1030 if you use. If the manufacturer says that oil there if you use, then use it. The viscosity there, then use it. Right? As I said, I've been using 2050 for years. It has done no harm to my engine. What does harm to your engine mainly is the freaking brand oil that you use, and yes, the viscosity as well. But a lot of us use The cheap brand, the blue buckle, Chevron. It no good, guys. Let me tell you something. No good. At the cheapest, you might see everybody use it, but it's not good. And if you do use it, you're not supposed to have that in your engine for too long, like for over a month, depending on how you ride, because you might ride once a week and have it in your engine for 2 months, no problem, because you don't ride that often. For me now, I ride every day. Ride at least an hour every day. You see me? An hour to an hour back every day. So I change my oil at least every month. You see me? At least every month. If I have time, I'll change it every 3 weeks, but a month is my regular service interval. Yes, so me I say no. Alright, those brands are that I recommend. Those are my personal picks. Now there are other brands that I may not have recommended, but that don't mean say them don't good. You see me? But those are the main brands that I recommend. No, that my bike come like it one. Yes.
Few moments later.
Up at school, me know say me gas are done, you know. No say me should buy gas. Why? That I'm gonna wait. 2050, as I mentioned, just to summarize everything, 2050 is the grade oil that I use. Right? The Chevron, the blue buckle Chevron that everybody uses, it's not good. It's not good. And a lot of times you tend to mash up some of your engine parts, and I say, yo, how the engine part I mash up and me not ride a certain way. It's because of the oil way I use. The oil is there, whoa, the oil is there to lubricate the engine. So if the oil not lubricate the engine properly, if it's a thin out too quick, then basically a metal rub. It comes like a water in your engine. So you have to make sure so you treat your engine properly with good oil. What else is there to say? I don't know. Don't know what else is there to say. So yeah. Oh yes, and if I fail to add this as well, how often you change your oil is dependent on how you ride. I think I spoke about this already. Yeah, so if you ride every day, if you ride, let's say maybe 30 minutes to and 30 minutes from every day, then you need to change your oil every month. You see me? Alright guys, I'm just gonna close out the video right now, since I don't have anything more to say. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, please put them down in the comment section. Remember to share with a friend, share with somebody who may be asking the same questions and you don't know how to answer the question. To share the video with them and make them know, say, boom bang paradise said this, paradise bike I said that, like a G. Yes sir, yes sir. Aha, paradise bikers out. Even with a broken heart. Oh my god. My god, let me through, bro. Yo, maybe some soup, man. I'm awesome in general. Can't drive in there, can't drive. Put the road on in there. Big space in the road and him there block up the road. Hey, where you get a license from, bad boy?